Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, I'm going to do a really simple walkthrough for how to assemble your adjustable retention holster completely from scratch. Sometimes we have to disassemble our holster for whatever reason, and it can be challenging to assemble all of the pieces over again, especially if we've never done it before. So in this video, I'm going to take this completely bare bones Delta holster from Eclipse and turn it into a completely assembled holster with a Modwing and a discreet carry concept clip. And by the end of this video, your holster will be ready to carry. We're going to start by placing the thicker rubber washers between the kydex as we line them up with the holes. Now press the screw post through the kydex and the rubber washers. So I am now sitting here editing this video and I'm realizing that I put the Modwing insert on backwards. Yes, I did. But honestly, I'm too lazy to go back and refilm this entire video. I think I might lose my mind. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you here, for the rest of this video, this Modwing is going to be backwards. And we're gonna pretend like I did that on purpose just to annoy you, but I did not. So the simple way to fix this is you just remove this screw and flip it around just like this. Okay, now that shenanigans is over with and you've got your screw posts on your holster, there are two routes you can take from here. You can either build your hardware off of the holster and screw it all on as a single piece, or you can stack each piece of hardware onto the holster one step at a time. I find that the second method is a bit more tedious as it kind of feels like I'm trying to juggle too much. I'm going to show you both methods though, so you can decide which one is your cup of tea. We're going to start with building the hardware in hand, but if you already know that you prefer the other method, go ahead and skip to the next time card. Step 1, you'll want to place your screws facing up. Step 2, go ahead and add your washers facing down. Step 3, stack your clip facing down. Step 4, add your rubber spacers. Step 5, add your eyelets. These should always come with your Modwing. Step 6, add your Modwing. And note that if you're watching this and noticing that the dang Modwing attachment we talked about earlier is facing the wrong way, you should definitely jump down in the comments section and make fun of me. Obviously, once you've stacked all of the hardware, you'll want to support it with your fingers as you flip it around and attach it to your holster. Now on to the stacking method. First step, stack your Modwing. Step 2, add your Modwing's eyelets. These help prevent your hardware from wiggling. Step 3, stack your rubber spacers. Step 4, stack your clip. Step 5, add your top washer. I like to secure the top instead of just doing them simultaneously because I'm too clumsy to do them both at once. Finally, repeat steps 5 through 6 for the bottom hole and you should be good to go. When testing for the right amount of retention on your adjustable retention holster, you're gonna wanna make sure that your gun is unloaded, put it in the holster, and then put your holster inside the waistband and test your retention in the kind of situations that it would actually be used in. So maybe try doing some physical activity like solo wall jujitsu drills or jumping jacks or high knees or some other kind of vigorous kind of physical activity to make sure that the retention is going to perform in those kind of everyday life situations. I have a 2-Minute Tuesday on this, which I'll link above, and then some more comprehensive resources I'll link down in the description. And now you should have a fully assembled adjustable retention holster. Again, I used a Delta holster from Eclipse with most of the initial hardware that it came with, but keep in mind that this assembly video should pretty much work for any adjustable retention holster out there. Let me know down in the comments if this kind of tutorial style video was helpful for you and if there are any other kind of topics you would like me to cover in this kind of style of video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in next week's video.